big this is though. Hi guys, we look kind of rough. We just woke up from a nap and now we're going to Christmas Wonderland. And I'm so tired. Bruh, I think we parked a bit too far, but it's there. We made it. So we parked at the meadows and like it's near to the games area. So we need to find. So what? We'll eat first or what? So we're gonna go eat first. It's raining.
Where's your backpack?
I see some of these singing along and moving along with us here.
Wow. Finally found a place to sit. Wow. I bought a squishy. Why was this $14 though? I feel like I got scammed. Guys, we're going to a home cafe in the west. I think it's considered in the west. It's like near Bukit Panjang area and I'm so excited. But it's like we had to order it like a day before, so I actually ordered this yesterday and now we're gonna go collect it. Got my Earl Grey banana pudding matcha. The banana pudding is good, but then like the matcha is kind of not that sweet, but so I need to like eat them together. But the matcha is really smooth. I really like it. It just could be a little bit more sweet. Man, look how big this is though, like, what? Then he got a maple cream latte, but this is unsweetened so I don't really like it. Oh yeah, the owner said my nails were cute, so I'm a little bit happy about that. Now we're gonna go to Causeway Point because like there's this sale for Tupperware and there's this really pink cute pastel bottle that the sister really wants, so we're gonna go and see if there's any more stock. What the hell, they're sold out of the pink Tupperware. They're sold out of all the Tupperware bottles actually. Okay guys, basically we came to Woodlands for nothing. Now we're off to our next errand. So we're gonna go to Coronation Plaza, and then there's like a German shop, grocery shop there. So we're just gonna buy some things. Guys, the German shop is temporarily closed until next year. So now we're gonna go Orchard and hope everything is not closed. Guys, I'm obsessed with my squishy. Look at the queue. It's a freaking carrot. Who's a potato? Guys, I'm shaking. There was a girl that started slapping people, and then she got arrested, and then the police was like pinning her down, and she got handcuffed and everything, and she was starting to scream, and oh my god, I was so stressed. But yeah, now we're going to Somerset.
Next station, Orchard. Change at...
So cute! Oh, this is the one I want. But I want cookie. Oh my god, look at this keyboard. It's pink. Oh. Happy? Hi guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we are just about to go back to KL, and it's a 4.5 hour drive, so yeah. Anyway, bye bye, see you in the next vlog.